Hello guys, my name is Jafir Ahmad Sultan. Today we're going to do an experiment. The experiment's name is creating a switch. For this experiment, we need cardboard, 2 pins, and a paper clip. So first we have to put our pins in the cardboard. Then for the second pin, we have to add our paper clip here and then attach it. The experiment's name is creating sound signals. For this experiment, we need 2 batteries, the battery casing, a buzzer, a crocodile clip, and the switch we used in our last video. First, we are going to put our batteries in the battery casing. Then we take the buzzer and then we connect the red side with it. Then with this crocodile clip, we attach the black side here. Then we are going to take our red side and attach it here. And with this black side, we are going to attach it to this green pin. And now, when we put this together, it should ring. And now the buzzer will buzz.